You need to hear this if you're planning a trip to India. Let's dive into the top 10 things you must watch out for. First up, food safety. Avoid street food unless it's piping hot to dodge Delhi belly. Number 2, stay hydrated, but only drink bottled water. Third, mind the monkeys. They're cute, but can be sneaky little thieves. Number 4, keep an eye on your shoes at temples. They have a tendency to walk away on their own. 5, haggle like a pro in markets, but always with a smile. 6, be cautious with your belongings in crowded places. Pickpockets are real. 7, respect local customs and dress modestly, especially in rural areas. 8, traffic can be wild. Always look both ways, even on one-way streets. 9, don't forget to pack some mosquito repellent. Trust me, you'll thank me later. And finally, number 10, embrace the chaos. India is a sensory overload, but that's what makes it magical. Safe travels and happy exploring.